Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall star Tommy Lee Sparta has hired high-powered attorney Tom Tavares Fenson in light of the entertainer possibly being charged for murder. Tommy Lee Sparta is currently in jail in Montego Bay regarding organized crime in St. James after being picked up by members of the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Branch CTOC last Sunday. Tommy Lee's new attorneys, Tom Tavares Fenson and Donahue Martin Jr., are already moving to secure the Uncle Demon DJ's freedom. UK top producers Chase and Status, one of the most commercially successful acts associated with drum and bass and dubstep, are currently in the island recording their fifth album, Return to Jungle.
Back in the day in our culture, our elders sampled Shabba Ranks records, Cutty Ranks records, flipped it, put an aim and break underneath it, sped it up, put an 808 in there, made a new music. So we've come here to do the same thing, except make original reggae and dancehall records.
The production duo, who have been trying to work with Jamaican artists over the years, realized the need to come to the island to be home of reggae and already have had success with some of dancehall's best.
Massacre yesterday was so sick. Suku, obviously Ward 21. Trey Island was here yesterday as well. Kabaka, Pyramid, amazing as well.
Just had Bugle in, we got Assassin in tomorrow.
A lot of big names.
Chase and Status boasts multi-platinum albums, numerous awards, and have worked with some of the best in music.
We've produced, we worked on 4 or 5 albums for Rihanna. We've also worked closely with Jay-Z. We remixed a song of his called DOA a few years ago. We were the first people to touch a Jay-Z record. And just in the UK, we've worked with a who's who from Kano to Plan B, to Dizzy, to Tiny Temper, to America, to Pusha T, to Snoop Dogg, quite a lot of people. But something that was very important to us, we teamed up with an old friend of ours, David Rodigan, and we took part in the Red Bull Culture Clash in 2014. Our team name was Rebel Sound, and that's where we first started cutting dubs with everyone really over here. That's where we built relationships with Suku and stuff years ago. And we won that clash handedly.
Chase and Status will release the album Return to Jungle later this year, with a few singles dropping for the summer. Gospel artist Chosen has come under fire for his much talked about single Ball Out, Jesus Name. The song is a remix of the popular secular hit Ball Out by dancehall artist Dovey Magnum. The song has been scrutinized by many who think the original song is a bit too raunchy for it to be remixed as a gospel track. Chosen, who has done a music video for his version of Ball Out, received criticism on social media when he posted a snippet of the video to his official Instagram page earlier this week. Chosen went on to comment under the video that naturally the song will provoke emotions, but this move of God shows anything bad can become good. He went on to say that music is powerful. The entertainer has been receiving support from those who argue that unconventional methods may be employed in order to minister to persons. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.